sa angkinan ng puso at kayamanan. Magsisimula pa lang ang mas matitinding tapatan.
I have everything. At walang makakaagaw ng mga bagay na akin. I am the Queen. I am back.
Ihanda ang puso sa panibagong yugto.
Teka, kung ikaw ang reyna, bakit nasa akin ang korona?
It's Queen versus Queen. All hell will break loose. Sa teleseryeng To Die For. Ang sayo ay akin.
Boss, ayun siya! Nasaan si Monek? Ibalik mo ang asawa ko! Pasensya ka na! Pero hindi ko na ibabalik sa'yo ang asawa mo! Mamamatay muna ako! Bago mabawi yung saksi mo ka!
Daniela,
Ano sa tingin mo ginagawa mo?
binabawi ko ang bahay ko.
Bahay mo? Bahay mo?
Maana ang pahanda ng kwarto.
Don't you dare to stick another this house!
Bakit? Anong gagawin mo? Anong kaya mong gawin? Nakikitira ka lang sa bahay ko. Masyado ka na yatang namimihasa.
Wala kang karapatan!
Bakit naging Bisaya ka, Daniela? Nasaan si Daniela? Ilabas mo ang totoong Daniela!
Ako ang kontrabida! Ako si Daniela! Ako si Daniela!
Hindi ikaw si Daniela!
Ako si Daniela! Daniela! Ako na padarna na.
Etong next song ko is para sa'yo to. Hindi ko siya ganun kaplansyado, pero wala eh. It's really for you, my love. Don't go changing and try to please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. I took the good times, I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. And don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. You always have my unspoken passion. Although I might not seem to care, I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are.
Ay, good morning po, sir. Nandito na po pala kayo.
Hindi, wala pa. Picture ka lang to. Hindi ba ako to?
Si sir naman eh.
Che. Timpla mo akong coffee.
Black coffee, sir?
Hindi. Blue. Blue coffee. Kaya mo? Asan yung mga papeles ko dito? Lina?
Good morning, sir!
Pasok mo nga dito yung mga papeles ko.
Ah, sir, saan ko pa ipapasok? Dito sa loob?
Hindi. Sa labas. Ipasok nga, di ba? Pwede mo ipasok sa labas? Sige nga, subukan mong ipasok ngayon sa labas.
Sir, nandito na po ang mga files sa labas, sir. Nagtatanong lang naman po ako eh.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. Your fever dream, can't you see getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall it's holding.